जिस तरह से चेयर गिरा है उसी तरह से इंडस्ट्री गिर रही है. ये है प्रोमो. The only one thing I knew यार मेरे को टीवी में कुछ करना है. They're the last of the stars left after. सलमान खान का घर है. तो मॉम इज लाइक हो गया तेरा सपना पूरा. और मॉम काम से बुलाया है. If you're even making a mistake, na, make it. But you should know that you're making that mistake earlier also.
Right.
And so always telling me, music पानी की तरह है. वो अपना रास्ता ढूंढ लेता है.
Today's guest is Kirthi Shridhar Rai. He leads film acquisitions and music marketing with Z Music Company. He's worked with some of the biggest names in media and broadcasting, shaping how films and soundtracks are launched. This episode is about understanding what it takes to make content travel across formats and across audiences. Welcome to Gimme, the podcast.
Thank you for inviting me,
Mr.
Krishna.
Kirthi Shridhar Rai.
Thank you.
I am absolutely thankful that you've actually decided to come finally after all the effort of trying to convince you ki please aaja. And most of you who don't know, I and Kirthi are apparently, supposedly the soul brothers. We are extremely close as friends, and I have requested my friend to come here and speak on camera, and thank you for doing that.
All my
After
pleasure.
15 years of being behind the camera and finally deciding to be in front of the camera. So I'm absolutely thankful.
This is my first and would be the only one podcast I would be giving for the longest time. I'm not very comfortable sitting in front of the camera and talking much.
So idea is that I'm going to get out 2 episodes from you, since you said that you're never going to come into a podcast ever. So I'm going to leverage you all my life.
Sure.
Anyways,
I mean,
but that's
more
what
than happy.
friends, that's what friends are for.
Absolutely.
So yes, so all right, I'm going to start with the most basic question that I'm sure everyone in the world has asked you.
Sure.
What drew you to the world of entertainment?
You know, when people at the age of 16, they used to watch cartoons and sports and they used to go and play. I was one of those unique kids. I used to watch Sasbo shows. And, you could ask me, क्यों की सास भी कभी बहू है, कसौटी and कहानी घर घर की. It was 8:30, 10 and 10:30 show on Star Plus, Monday to Friday if I'm not wrong, and 1:30 in the afternoon, Kum Kum on Star.
Wow.
So I used to watch those shows diligently. And the only one thing I knew, यार मेरे को टीवी में कुछ करना है. That was the only thing, and no background, nothing. I did my graduation in BCom and then I did my MBA. But ये था कि करना है. No one from the family was into the media space. I was good at studies, decent at studies, I would say. My father wanted me to, become like a finance person or something. But the only finance I knew was 2 into 2 is 4. I mean, that was because I was good at math. But managing finance is not something which interested me. And 2009 December, Z came into campus and I got selected as a management trainee. And the only one thing I said yes is because when the profile was being explained to me, they said, it's a sales job. And now when a person is doing his MBA, सबको marketing करना. That's like a template, Right. No one knows because I was 21, 22. Sales क्या marketing क्या पता नहीं. For me, sales was कि घर घर जाकर आपको सामान बेचना होता. That was my sales का understanding. The only one thing that HR told me, the sales is Bollywood sales. I like, bingo बस. Life में यही चाहिए था. I was looking at a 22-inch screen. ये तो मुझे 70 mm का बिग स्क्रीन दिख रहा है. क्या सेल्स कैसे पता नहीं. बॉलीवुड इंटरेस्टेड मी. एंड दैट्स हाउ 2010 आई जॉइंड एज अ मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनी Z Entertainment Enterprises Limited for a channel called ETC and Zing. Then ETC was the Bollywood business channel, which doesn't exist anywhere right now. But I started my career from there. And starting in 2025, it's been 15 years. No complaints. Yes, a lot of hard work has gone there, but a lot of people, young guys, they come and say, यार हमको ना सर आपके तरह कुछ करना है. मतलब सबको करना है. मुझे भी किसी ना किसी तरह करना था. I looked up to a lot of mentors, like, Raj Naik sir, Kevin sir. But खुद का कुछ पेश करने के लिए, it is the passion what you need. Hard work is there, and also to be at the right place at the right time, and to capitalize it and put in your 100%, focus on work. And for me at least, work has been passion. I've been passionate about what I do. If someone tells me, ना यार इसके आगे क्या करोगे? I say, यार मुझे एक ही business आता है, which is the business of entertainment. And I'm so much into Bollywood कि the amount of English what I've spoken in the last 10 minutes is the maximum English I know. So that is Bollywood for me, right? So I've seen a lot of change the business. I love this business.
Right.
So I work for the music business, but I always treat myself as a person from the film business, and
Fair.
film is something I live for.
Fair. Now, since you mentioned as your first job being the management trainee, today, now that you are the head of film acquisitions,
Film and music acquisitions
film and
for Z
music
Music
acquisition
Company.
for Z Music Company, how has that journey been for you?
So Z Music's existence came, it was launched in 2014,
Right.
but the pre-planning stage started from 2013. And in 2013, around September, October, my boss then, and my boss for the longest time, my only boss for the longest time till 2024, was Mr. Anurag Bedi. I mean, I owe a lot of my professional career to him. The amount I've learned from him is immense. And he just came up to me and I'm like, करेगा क्या म्यूजिक में काम? लाइक कर लेंगे, आप सिखाओगे तो कर लेंगे. लाइक चल करते हैं. बोलते मुझे भी नहीं आता है, सीख लेंगे साथ में. हमने चालू कर दिया. ऑनेस्टली यार कुछ नहीं पता था. नो आइडिया ऑन हाउ द बिजनेस वर्क्स. नो वन वाज टेकिंग अस सीरियसली. एवरीवन थॉट हाँ ठीक है, बड़ा ग्रुप पे आए हैं, कर रहे हैं, एक साल में बंद हो जाएगा. बट हमें पता था हम एक साल में बंद तो नहीं करेंगे. बट हमें ये नहीं पता था हम कितने बड़े सक्सेस, कितना जल्दी सक्सेस लाएंगे. The only thing what we had was we had the belief in ourselves that यार कर तो लेंगे. इतना तो as we call that term जुगाड़ू तो है, कर लेंगे. Even Anurag is a very passionate when it comes to films. When it comes to the entire film business as an industry, right? And music is treated as a smaller part of the industry, but it is actually not, right? And we started the journey. We used to work for we started with 2 people, then the team went on to become, today we are a team of 62 people. The leanest team, if I have to put it, in the music business.
Wow.
It's what, 11 years after the launch, we are an 120 million subscribed YouTube channel, the top 10 in the world when it comes to the subscription base. And within India, we are the number 2 most subscribed channel. That is our main mother channel, apart from all the other language channels which we have.
Right.
So it's been a great journey. I'm really proud of the entire team and what we have delivered. And we have got that immense love and respect, and from our partners, from our internal stakeholders and everyone. And today also for me, it's every day I wake up, it is as if, और क्या नया कर सकते हैं, हम आज भी सीख रहे हैं. And the learning process will always be there because the industry keeps on changing. Every film has a different strategy. Every music has a different strategy. Every actor, every musician, every producer has different temperaments, different expectations. जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना यार, हमें हमारा बच्चा कभी गोरा या काला नहीं लगना. हमारा बच्चा मेरे से बहुत प्यार है. So किसी को भी अपना कंटेंट बेकार नहीं लगता. So even if it's a bad content and average content, as a marketer, as a person who is invested into that project or shown interest in that project, even if we don't have that much belief, it may be a business strategic call, but we still need to show that confidence to the producer, right? I can't tell the producer, यार हमने तो इसको ऐसे लिया था, but वो हमारा बिजनेस कॉल था, कुछ अलग स्ट्रैटेजी था, बट हम आपको भी वो सपोर्ट देंगे. बस आज वो प्रोड्यूसर प्रॉब्ली उसकी फिल्म हमें लग रही है नहीं चलेगा, और क्या चलेगा क्या नहीं चलेगा ना, इज समथिंग विच इज द क्रेडिट टेकन आफ्टर द रिलीज. इफ इट्स अ हिट, मैंने चलाया.
So that brings me to my second question.
Yes.
कि I understand the most difficult part of being a movie release. I understand the pressure, and I'm sure you go through that every time there's a movie that's releasing, every time there's a song track that's releasing. How was that pressure? And when was that first time you felt that weight? कि यार ये मेरा पहला music है, ये मेरा पहला song है with Z or whichever company, and this is यार ये चलना चाहिए.
Whichever company तो बोल नहीं सकता. I mean,
हाँ,
I've seen
most
a
of
lot
it
of
with Z.
furnitures changing in Z, but I'm still with Z. It's been 15 years.
Right.
As a joke, I always crack with everyone.
Yeah.
कि मैंने मेरे
I
3-4
hope those
टेबल
furniture-
चेंज होते हुए देखा हुआ, बट मैं अभी तक फर्नीचर बना नहीं हूँ. आई स्टिल हैव द सेम जेस्ट, सेम एनर्जी,
Okay.
एंड इज अ लव फॉर द ब्रांड.
I'm
That's my
sure.
baby.
Yes.
And the pressure, honestly, you see, I mean, it's something which a lot of people in the industry tell me. The only time I've taken pressure and I felt that pressure was in 2014 when we were releasing Holiday. But as I said earlier also, यार नहीं पता था कैसे होता है, सब सीख रहे थे. And when you're learning ना, there are very few people who are helping you, and there are a lot of people ना जिनको what we say मजे लूटने को बहुत
हाँ,
मजा
वो
आता है.
खींचने के लिए होता है,
Right?
जो नीचे
And
खींच
not,
ले।
I'm not saying नीचे खींचना, but it's also trade of the tricks, right? But आज मुझसे कोई पूछेगा क्या तुम सिखाओगे, मैं सीख लो. सीखना कुछ नहीं, it's about managing that situation. It's not a Philip Kotler का बुक नहीं है जो हमको MBA में लिख कर देते हैं. ये वो है जो every Friday a fate of the film is decided. And for us as a brand, as for any label, every week, every day, there is some content going out, right? Probably today, where I stand, release more than 20,000 odd songs, work for more than, I don't know, number of films, a lot of films across languages we have worked. But that one film, Holiday, apart from that film's plan, I remember all the film ka plans. You can wake me up middle of the night and I'll tell you exactly what plan which was executed. But that film, I have almost 23 sheets on Excel. And trust me, I till date don't know what was executed, how what was executed. That stress, whenever I think of it right now also, no, it gives me chills like, how did we deliver? What we delivered. And I think that is that 23 sheets of Excel which I made, then which I don't know what was executed. After that, I don't think I made 23 Excels for
Anyone.
the another 230 films. But I know it by. But that was. Uske baad, I never think it was stress because as I said, for us, this is not work. For me, this is not work. For me, this is my life. This is how I hustle, if you have to call that, how I roll. I wake up every day in the morning saying, चलो आज जाके देखते हैं किसका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना है. सो फॉर मी इट्स नॉट स्ट्रेस, वो उनका स्ट्रेस है, आई एम सॉल्विंग द प्रॉब्लम. सो व्हेन आई टेक दिस एज अ मोटिवेशन टू वेक अप ना, देन ओनली आई थिंक आई कैन रीच ऑफिस एंड सॉर्ट एवरीथिंग. बिकॉज इफ आई टेक द स्ट्रेस, तो जो स्ट्रेस दे रहा है उसका स्ट्रेस सॉल्व कैसे करें? सो आई डोंट हैव दैट स्ट्रेस.
I still remember you and I had a conversation once upon a time, and you told me तू lecture दे रहा था किसी college में, and you got a call from someone who's extremely important in the movie business. Right?
Absolutely.
And that person is Mr. Salman Khan.
Yeah.
And I think you got a call from his office.
Yes.
How was it, the first meeting? How was it that changed? Did you take back anything from a man like Salman Khan that inspired you, or did you bring it into your life in some way?
I'm a huge Bhai fan. I mean, would be one more reason why I wanted to be in the film space. I'm a huge Bhai fan. And since 2014, probably I've worked with almost all the actors. And I remember went from that place, I reached Galaxy, and I was looking out, and I'm calling my mom, and I'm like, Mom, you know where I'm standing? Like, where? I'm standing outside Galaxy. She's like, ये क्या है? And I'm like, Mom, सलमान खान का घर है. And my mom is like, हो गया तेरा सपना पूरा? My mom काम से बुलाया है मेरे को. But you know, when I entered in, when I sat down, and what you asked now, what did I take away from him? यार हम, what we all think कि यार वो सलमान खान है, a lot of the perception which is there, गुस्सा आता होगा, उसको क्या पता है, उसके आसपास इतने लोग हैं. And I entered and I saw him sitting in a shorts in his garden, sipping coffee. उस दिन मुझे समझा कि 30 साल से बिजनेस में है, उसको सब कुछ पता है. We as, I called myself in front of him at least, क्या एक्सपीरियंस है? 10-15 साल. But his experience has been the struggle, 30 years of being in the business, where a Friday for him gets him a 300 crore or a 30 crore. Is the reputation at stake, the pressure what goes in, the media, the public talking about him. But when I was sitting with him, he exactly, he's telling us, guys, listen to me, I know my audience, which is a fact. Who are we to go and tell him कि सर ये गाने को ना हम ऐसा प्रमोट करते हैं? सलमान खान है, उसको पता है उसके ऑडियंस को क्या चाहिए, right? And that's one thing I learned: be aware about your surroundings. If you're even making a mistake, na, make it, but you should know that you're making that mistake, and you should have a plan B to rectify that mistake if it goes out of proportion.
So, you know, you mentioned plan B. Let's just talk about the music label aspect of it. Something that tanked, absolutely tanked after immense hard work, great marketing strategy, but then just worked wonders right after the movie got off the theater, and the music started picking up out of nowhere, and you guys were like, "Boss, what is happening?"
My team came to me and like a couple of months back, ये गाना जोग्राफी है ना थोड़ा चल रहा है, and I'm looking, कौन सा गाना है? And they're like Super 30. And then I have this kid. I spend a lot of time on Insta because for other corporates it's waste of time, but for me it's my work. So and when I started seeing the reels, it worked out for 6 years.
Wow.
Right? You know, just to give one more example, sure, you asked for Sanam Teri Kasam, right? Re-release. Fans went mad. But then also the song, Kheech Meri Photo, had become a rage.
Yeah, of course.
So this is an ulta example I'm giving you, where the music was arranged then,
Right.
the film did decent, like it was noticed. But after a re-release, it went berserk. And how? Right? So it happens, yeah. It's a journey. Tell me one thing now, if we go out, we step out to any club, हम आज भी 90s, early 2000s, mid 2000 के गाने पे ही नाच रहे हैं, right?
Absolutely.
जो नए गाने बन रहे हैं, they are coming in as loops connecting the two songs. That's why we are making remakes. Remixes are working. There are folk songs which come back. They become a rage. It's just that the age group is different for everyone. By making remixes, yes, I'm not a big fan of making remixes, but when made in the right ways, right, is because if we both are from the same generation, we know a certain song. Maybe the today's generation don't know it. So get that song back, because that was a cult then. But then give it the right treatment. Music is always relevant. Today, when you have been into the event business, you know, the live shows are like thriving today. Right? Guns and Roses,
I would beg to differ on that, but of course, it's changed.
It's changed.
It's changed for
At least for India as a market.
The
it's
market
changed.
has become a lot better. That's for sure.
Like, I mean, I'm a huge fan of Himesh Bhai.
We spoke about it.
Yeah.
It's funny how we spoke about
Yeah.
it. And there was a show that actually came out in the next month after we spoke.
Yeah, it's a Cap Mania too.
And it did like wonders.
And everyone was laughing, you know, yaar, kaun jayega show dekhne. But he didn't tell anyone ki cap pen kya. But over there, everyone was wearing a cap. Because, yeah, there's a generation who's grown up.
Right.
I mean, that cap was a thing.
Yeah, of course.
And when he said, na, kya main naak se gaao? So now that is like, you know, he didn't take that as a criticism. So has their own quirks.
Absolutely.
It works. And they're legends for a reason. Yeah. I mean, I love Himesh Bhai. I think he's one of the finest composers this industry has got. I'm a huge fan of him, so you can clearly see
Yeah,
how
I'm sure.
excited
You
I
said
get.
it like 7 times.
Yeah, I get excited.
And if there is any way I know him, I will send him this clip where I'll say that Kirthi loves Himesh Bhai.
Absolutely. He is like the new Sufi which is coming, which is much more lyrical, soft singing, which also the current gen is consuming.
I was going to get to Sayyara,
Yeah,
but we'll
because-
get to that
yeah.
later. Yeah.
So which I try and say, don't create music as per what is working. Create music which is good. But KGF, Yash, changed. Kantara, like, so glamour agar dimag mein hai, so it's not what it is.